Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Holden Trax LS, stock reference number 5460. The shape runs from the 8th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2020. It has an A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, camera type, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, and right power door mirror does have some light scuffs on the case. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.